Do you see that? Well, obviously, not. You're looking at me, but that's Jupiter. And guess what? Nobody knows exactly what it's made of. But today, we're going to fix that because I'm jumping straight in. Would you like me to pull the information I have on Jupiter's composition? No, not now, Rico. Okay, so there are some things we do know about Jupiter. For example, the fact that it has 5 layers. Rico seems to think I won't make it past the third one, but I'm going to prove that silly robot wrong. I mean, I have to. Because once I get to that last layer, it's gonna make me rich, baby. Space rich. And all the while I'll be filming some epic, never-before-seen footage for you guys. Nothing can go wrong. Ow. Okay, we're heading off to Jupiter in a bit, I just have to refuel first. Rico, was there no other moon to make a pit stop? Ganymede is, so freezing out here. It's like minus 130 degrees Celsius minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite its sub-zero temperatures, Ganymede is an optimal landing choice as it is the only moon in the solar system with its own magnetic field. Fine, well, Jupiter has the answer to my refueling problems forever. So long as I get to its mystery core. It's true that we don't know for sure what Jupiter's core is made of. But we do know that Jupiter is the largest and oldest planet in our solar system. It has more than twice the mass of all the other planets combined. And with a radius of 70,000 kilometers, 44,000 miles, it's 11 times wider than Earth. This planet is also a gas giant, made up of the leftovers from the formation of the Sun, 4.5 billion years ago. Visiting Jupiter would be nearly impossible because it's almost 800 million kilometers away. That's over 600 times the distance from Earth to the Moon. While we've sent robotic probes to explore its mysteries, sending humans there, that's another story entirely. Right now, the biggest obstacle to reaching far-off worlds like Jupiter isn't just the distance. It's the lack of propulsion systems powerful and efficient enough for such long journeys. Current technology simply can't get us there safely. But what if we could harness cutting-edge nuclear technology to change that? Well, lucky for us, one company called Nano Nuclear Energy is already working on a solution. They're redefining what's possible with micronuclear reactors. These are compact power systems that could transform space exploration. Nanonuclear reactors like the Zeus solid-core battery reactor and the Odin low-pressure coolant reactor are more than really cool names. They're designed to be portable, efficient, and incredibly powerful. Nanonuclear Space, a subsidiary of Nano Nuclear, is exploring how this cutting-edge technology can play a role in humanity's journey to push beyond low Earth orbit. Their reactors could provide energy for spacecraft propulsion and human-sustaining habitats on other planets. These compact reactors can generate between 1 and 20 megawatts of thermal energy, which can be used directly as heat or transformed into electricity. But Nano Nuclear's innovation doesn't stop there. Their technology is also revolutionizing things down on Earth. The small size and portability of the Zeus and Odin microreactors make them perfect for remote communities that lack access to the central power grid. Plus, they can be deployed and removed quickly, making them perfect for disaster relief efforts. Nano Nuclear is thinking big by going small. They've teamed up with Everstar AI to create an AI-powered compliance solution aimed at making nuclear power safer and more efficient. And with $125 million of cash on hand, they're ready to turn their vision into reality: clean, portable nuclear energy that can fuel our planet and even take us to the stars. Check out the link in the description to learn more about their journey, and imagine how their technology could one day help us reach the big red spot of Jupiter. Until then, we'll just have to send Chase there. Oh, damn, Rico, Jupiter has a massive frickin' pimple. Let's land there. Warning, the Great Red Spot is a high-pressure anticyclone in Jupiter's atmosphere. Winds there reach speeds of 680 km per hour, 423 miles per hour. Of all the places on Jupiter, the Great Red Spot is the last place you want to fly into. It's a storm that's been raging for at least 300 years. It's a lot bigger and a lot scarier than anything you've ever experienced on Earth. I'll just approach it hurricane style and fly right down the center. It'll be fine. This is it. First person to ever fly into Jupiter's big red hole or whatever. Here we go. Warning, temperature rising rapidly. Atmospheric temperature over 1,300 degrees Celsius 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Rico, what's going on? System overheating. Cooling system fail. Rico? Rico, you know I don't like pranks. Stop messing around with me, man. This raging storm is so powerful it creates sound waves that heat particles in the atmosphere and make this area 1,000 degrees hotter than the surrounding atmosphere. So if you land here, you can count on, well, some discomfort. Okay, I can fix this. I can fix this. Oh, no. No. Oh gosh, okay. These winds are way too strong. You know, if I close my eyes, it kind of feels like a roller coaster. Ha! Ha. I'm having fun. This is fun for me. Jupiter's clouds are mostly ammonia and water. Because the winds on Jupiter are so violent and flow in opposite directions, they shape the clouds into conveyor belts around the gas giant. Some of the clouds reach speeds of up to 500 kilometers per hour, 310 miles per hour. Not that you can avoid them now, as you've already plummeted into the raging planet. Okay, wow, it's so cold that, the ammonia is freezing into ice and hitting me in the face. Cool. Ouch. Rico, please, come back. If you come back, I promise I'll never be mean to you again. Ha? Oh, finally. Man, Rico, you can't just take a siesta in the middle of the day, okay? We're not in Spain, we're in space. Now propel me to the second layer of the atmosphere, idiot. Propulsion commenced. Oh, what is that smell? Rico, did you fart? Negative. Did I fart? No one, passed gas. At hotter temperatures, the ammonia in the clouds combines with the sulfide compounds to create ammonia hydrosulfide, which smells a lot like rotten eggs. Oh, God. It smells really bad in here, Rico. Maybe alien life does exist on Jupiter, except they all died a long time ago. Or maybe somebody hotboxed Jupiter with a bunch of burning trash. No, it's just the ammonia hydrosulfide. Oh, God. This sucks, Rico. Let's go to the next layer quickly. Depth reading, 200 kilometers, 125 miles, below Jupiter's clouds. You are now in the outer interior. Atmospheric contents include hydrogen and helium. Oh. Chillin' with some pretty standard stuff then. Hydrogen, helium, one cool as hell guy. It's just getting a little hot.